one of specific knowledge here, that is economics. They tell this as forex, yeah, foreign exchange. We just exchange our money value, for example, like rupiah and US dollar, or Aussie, Australian dollar with US dollar, something like that, or we change silver value with other money, something like that. And yeah, it's make me believe that we can. This is like a virtual market, yeah. There is a virtual, and we chose this as a virtual. This is wow, yeah, this is virtual. But when you're gonna produce this money, you can take money and you can withdraw that money. Okay. The first when I know is forex, okay, foreign exchange, I just surprised and I want to know more about this because that is very amazing for me. The first what we have to do here is we have to know more about economics, international economy, international business, international trading, and also we have to know about central bank, what's the central bank policy, and what they match to governments. Okay, that is related to money market here. And the first year what you have to do is just register. Yeah, register your name, and you have to download this platform. From this platform, you will know all the price that's have here. For example, like here you have Euro USD, it means Euro currency and US dollar. Okay. For example, like here is 1.28 something like that. So it means 1 euro is 1.24 US dollar or 1 euro. Okay. So will be changed by times, yeah, always like this. And I also have to know about technical analysis. This here technical analysis with a candlestick, so we have to know this about the price, and also we have to know about the fundamental. Fundamental is means news that's related to money market. For example, like central bank policy and what government do, what they trading government, and it could be war or disaster in that country. Yeah, that is also have impacts on money market. Okay, I usually have the forex market, forex factory. This is a calendar that every day I have to know this. For example, like today is May, Thursday, and also we'll have again the news here for the next news at 4 and this May, yeah, today. And again, we start that from this forex market as a business. Also, they have another business that related to this. Okay, they also have sales. Okay, sales signal. Okay, you want to subtract signal to buy or to sell on Euro USD or Aussie Australian dollar. Okay, so you can subscribe it. Then they never. Again, this is not become be true or not because they just predict just for see. Yeah. And there is one business that I have now here. But besides that, there are a lot of other business. Yeah, other business that use the internet. For example, like you can use called blogger. Yeah, you want to be a blogger. You can make web or blog, and you write anything on the blog, and you can have a lot of money by using what? By using his advertisement. Yeah, you can post Google advertisement or the other advertisement on your blog, and if you visit this blog and you just click here, or visitor will click one of this advertisement, and the owner of the website will get money. Okay. Or they also say that ClickBank, the other business, ClickBank is kind of like this too, and they just promote product on your blog, and if you want to buy that product using via this blog, so the owner of blog will get money. It is ClickBank. And again, they also have affiliate programs. Okay, affiliate program is using this website too. And in this website, you not need to be expert in this website to be the website master. Just copy paste the website and you register as a member and create my affiliate website. And everybody or visitor just enter your website and they buy the product from the website and you get money as the owner of the website. Okay. And besides that, also in earning money using internet, also have illegal and also have legal. One the other illegal is they use gambling. Yeah. For example, like BitOn, we have BitOn here. Yeah, this BitOn. Yeah. If you want to also BitOn casino poker or something like that, BitOn is you have to guess the number. They will put number it will be 4 digits and you have to guess the number for the next hour. For example, like 1 hour later, what will be here, what number. And if you correct, you got money. Okay, so that is illegal. Okay, it could be legal or illegal, but there are a lot of sort of money that you can earn by using internet. So here, technology also have opportunity to you. Even though you are an employee, on your ID card say that you are as an employee, but you can earn money a lot by using internet. Just become the most potato and sit on the screen all over day if you want, but it depends on your style how you earn this money. And also the others way here also they also sell product, real product, for example like online shop, online store. You can produce money by using that too. But this is a virtual. You can see here 30,000. But when you withdraw, it's really 30%. And the broker, they call this a broker, and broker will send money to your bank account, and you can withdraw your money. Just go to ATM. If you win here, go to ATM and take your money. As easy as like this. Okay. So I want to say to you here is there are a lot of stars that advantages by using internet to earn money. Thank you.
Siapa ngomong tadi? Oke, Rahmat.